Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1, Story 13, The Three Thieves. Level 1. One night, three thieves went to a rich man's house. They stole a lot of money. They put the money in a bag and ran away to the forest. They felt very hungry after some time. One thief said, "I will go to the village and buy some food." The other two stayed in the forest to look after the money. The thief who went to the village had a bad idea. He wanted all the money for himself. He bought food and mixed poison in it. He thought, "My friends will eat this food and die. Then all the money will be mine." Meanwhile, the two thieves in the forest also had a bad idea. They planned to kill their friend when he returned. After some time, the thief came back with the food. The two thieves in the forest attacked him. They hit him very hard and killed him. Then they felt hungry and ate the food he brought. After eating, both of them fell on the ground. They started crying in pain. The poison killed them too. At last, all the three thieves were dead. The bag of money lay on the ground. No one could take it. This story teaches us a big lesson. If we do bad things will happen to us. As we sow, so shall we reap. 1. Steal. To take something without permission. Example 1. The boys tried to steal apples. Example 2. Never steal anything from anyone. 2. Hungry. Feeling the need to eat food. Example 1. I feel hungry in the evening. Example 2. The dog looks very hungry. 3. Buy. To get something by paying money. Example 1. I want to buy a new dress. Example 2. She bought apples from the shop. 4. Poison. A thing that can kill or harm. Example 1. The snake's bite has poison. Example 2. Don't drink it, it has poison. 5. Divide. To share into parts. Example 1. Let's divide the money equally. Example 2. The teacher divided the class. 6. Attack. To hit or harm suddenly. Example 1. The tiger attacked the deer. Example 2. Soldiers attacked the enemy camp. 7th lesson. Something we learn from life or study. Example 1. I learned a good lesson today. Example 2. The story gives a nice lesson. 8. Evil. Very bad or wicked. Example 1. We should avoid evil thoughts. Example 2. His evil plan failed badly. Level 2. Story 13. The Three Thieves. Level 2. One night, three thieves broke into a rich man's house. They stole a large amount of money, put it in a bag, and ran into the forest. After walking for a long time, they became very hungry and tired. One of them said, "I will go to the village and bring some food." The other two stayed in the forest to guard the money. While walking to the village, the thief got a wicked idea. He thought, "If I poison the food, my friends will die. Then I can take all the money for myself." So he bought food from a hotel, mixed poison in it, and started walking back to the forest. Meanwhile, the two thieves who stayed in the forest also had an evil plan. They said to each other, "When our friend comes back, we will kill him and take the money for ourselves." When the first thief returned with the food, the two wicked men attacked him. They hit him hard and killed him. Feeling hungry, they decided to eat the food he had brought. A few minutes later, both of them fell to the ground in pain. The poisoned food killed them too. In the end, all three thieves were dead. The bag of money was lying under the tree and no one could enjoy it. This story teaches us that evil plans always bring evil results. If we do wrong to others, wrong will happen to us too. Moral: evil begets evil. As you sow, so shall you reap. 1. Thief: a person who steals things. Example: 1. The thief ran away with the bag. Example: 2. Police caught the thief near the shop. 2. Forest: a large area full of trees. Example 1. We walked through a big forest. Example 2. Tigers live in the forest. 3. Hungry, feeling the need to eat food. Example 1. The boys were hungry after running. Example 2. I feel hungry before lunchtime. 4. Wicked, very bad or evil in nature. Example 1. The wicked man cheated his friends. Example 2. She told a story about a wicked king. 5. Poison, a harmful thing that can kill. Example 1. He mixed poison in the food. Example 2. Snake poison is very dangerous. 6. Attack, to hit or harm suddenly. Example 1. The tiger attacked the deer. Example 2. The thieves attacked the man at night. 7. Kill, to make someone die. Example 1. The hunter killed a rabbit. Example 2. The soldiers killed the enemies. 8. Moral, a lesson we learn from a story. Example 1. Every story has a moral. Example 2. The moral of this story is honesty. Level 3. Story 13. The Three Thieves. Level 3. One dark and silent night, three cunning thieves crept into the grand mansion of a wealthy merchant. With great stealth, they gathered a fortune in gold coins and jewels, stuffed them into a heavy sack, and fled into the dense forest. The moonlight barely touched the forest floor as they walked for hours, exhausted and starving. Finally, one of them suggested, "Let me go to the nearby village and fetch some food while you both guard the treasure." The others agreed without suspicion. On his way to the village, however, the man's greed began to whisper wicked thoughts into his mind. Why should I share this wealth? If I poison their food, they will die, and I shall be the sole owner of this fortune. Guided by his evil intent, he bought some food from an inn, secretly mixed poison into it, and started back toward the forest, smiling at his own cleverness. Meanwhile, the two thieves waiting in the forest were weaving their own web of betrayal. One murmured, "When he returns, we shall kill him and divide the money between us." The other agreed, equally blinded by greed. When the first thief arrived, tired but triumphant, the two wicked men pounced on him like hungry wolves. They struck him dead and laughed at their victory. But their laughter was short-lived. Hungry from their long wait, they began to eat the poisoned food. Within minutes, both fell to the ground, writhing in unbearable pain, gasping for their last breath. By dawn, all three lay lifeless under the old trees, and the glittering bag of gold remained untouched, a silent witness to their greed and treachery. Morale: greed and evil deeds always lead to destruction. Truly, as you sow, so shall you reap. 1. Cunning, clever in a dishonest or tricky way. Example 1. The cunning fox tricked the farmer and stole the chickens. Example 2. He used a cunning plan to cheat his business partner. 2. Stealth, quiet and secret movement to avoid being noticed. Example 1. The cat moved with great stealth toward the bird. Example 2. Thieves rely on stealth to break into houses at night. Third, exhausted, very tired, having no energy left. Example 1. I felt completely exhausted after working all day. Example 2. The workers were exhausted after finishing the project. 4. Greed. A strong and selfish desire for more money or power. Example 1. His greed for wealth made him lose all his friends. Example 2. Greed often leads people to make wrong decisions. 5. Betrayal, the act of being disloyal or breaking someone's trust. Example 1. His betrayal hurt his best friend deeply. Example 2. The story shows how betrayal brings destruction. 6th. Triumphant, feeling proud or joyful after a victory. Example 1. She gave a triumphant smile after winning the race. Example 2. The team returned home in a triumphant mood. 7. Writhing, twisting and turning the body in pain. Example 1. The injured man was writhing on the ground. Example 2. They were writhing in pain after eating the poisoned food. 8. Treachery, the act of cheating or deceiving someone who trusts you. Example 1. His treachery shocked the entire group. Example 2. The story warns us against greed and treachery. 9. Lifeless, without life, dead or showing no energy. Example 1. The lifeless body of the bird lay on the road. Example 2. The forest was silent, filled with lifeless trees. 10. Destruction, the act of ruining or causing great damage. Example 1. The storm caused great destruction in the village. Example 2. Greed and hatred always lead to destruction. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.